Have you ever wanted to create a peaceful, snowy scene indoors? Imagine watching a snowstorm gently swirling in a jar. It's mesmerizing and easy. Today, we'll make a snowstorm in a jar. This fun and simple craft can brighten any room. Plus, it's a fantastic project to do with kids. Now, let's gather our supplies. First, find a clear jar with a lid. Next, get some water. We'll also need white glitter to create the snow effect. Lastly, grab a small amount of vegetable glycerin. This will help the glitter float beautifully. Start by filling the jar halfway with water. Add a few drops of food coloring if you want color. Now, add the glitter. Use a tablespoon or two, depending on how snowy you want it. Next, add 1 tablespoon of vegetable glycerin. This helps the glitter fall slowly. Now, stir everything together gently. Make sure it's well mixed. Now, close the jar tightly with its lid. Hold the jar upside down. Watch as the snowstorm begins. Shake the jar gently to activate the snow. Notice how the glitter swirls and falls slowly. This snowstorm jar is soothing to watch. It can help reduce stress and calm your mind. It's perfect for any room or as a lovely gift. Let's recap what we did. We gathered materials, mixed the ingredients, and created a soothing snowstorm. Now it's your turn. Gather your materials and create your own snowstorm in a jar. Share your creation with friends. Let's spread the joy of winter magic indoors.